try it. I'm gonna eat it.
How do you do it? Man, I should watch the tutorial. In the middle?
One finger in the middle, one finger on top, and your two on the bottom, and your thumb on top of everything. Yep, okay. Like that.
But that's not making me pick it up, though.
Yeah, squeeze, isn't it?
Ooh. Yeah, I don't know how to use it. You ain't even doing it right. Okay.
Better than you do. I probably could cook a bite for you.
No, just eat it. Come on, let me see how you try it.
I'm scared.
How you like it? Like, do you like it? Like, what would you rate it? What's up, y'all? So by the title and thumbnail, y'all already know what's going on. Y'all, I tried sushi before, but she haven't.
My first time eating sushi, like.
But I haven't had this sushi.
Yeah, I don't know what that. What is that on top of it though?
I think it has crab in it.
No, what's on top?
I don't know what's on top, but it looked good.
But tell me what we got, babe.
So yeah, we have some cucumbers. We have some lobster egg roll, and she has her chicken one. Her chicken was at the bottom. And yes, the sushi. And we got soy sauce and some Italian dressing for the cucumbers on the side, just in case we want it. And we have our chopsticks. I don't really know how to eat with chopsticks, you guys. So, like, I don't know. It's going to be a little hard.
No, for real. But I love eating with chopsticks, but I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. It's like...
I know, right? It's like,
ooh. But
wait, did you open the soy sauce bottle?
No way.
I just probably used it packet then.
Okay.
It's like, I'm going to try. I want you to try it though.
Try what? The soy sauce with the sushi? I thought I'm allergic to soy sauce.
No, the sushi.
I'm going to eat the sushi, baby.
No, I'm saying I want you to try it first. Oh, you think I should try it first?
You try it first.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna wait for the sauce then.
Yeah, try it then add the sauce.
Yeah. Yeah,
I like soy sauce though. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna eat it.
How do you do it? Man, I should watch the tutorial. How you do it? Wait.
Like this.
Wait, so.
Wait,
baby, teach me for real. Wait, so you got one finger in the middle?
One finger in the middle, one finger on top, and your two on the bottom, and your thumb on top of everything. Yep, okay. Like that.
But that's not making me pick it up though.
Yeah, squeeze, isn't it?
Ooh, I'm messing it up.
Ugh. I'm gonna pick it up for you and put it in your mouth. You fucking it up, sis.
I don't know how to use the chopsticks. I'm just using it like
do it how you can till you learn how to do it, you know? You got a whole palette of sushi, so you'll get the hang of it. I never knew that this was rice, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know how to use it.
Is it good? Yeah, smell it, baby.
I smell it?
Yes, it's loud. Oh, what I go through. How is it?
Taste it.
What it taste like, man?
Let me move this out of the way.
Yeah, cause
you know you put this on top if you want it.
I don't even know what it is. We want it.
Yeah, it's the stuff like, and this is another.
Let's see if I know how to pick it up. I probably should get this one with a lot of stuff on it, cause I gotta move the palette down here. Move it in front of me.
Just get it. Let's pick it up. Girl, you ain't even doing it right. Okay.
Better than you do. I probably could cook a bite for you.
No, just eat it. Come on, let me see how you try it.
I'm scared.
How you like it? Like, do you like it? Like, what would you rate it? Like, would you eat it again? Like, is it good? Like, you make the face don't look like it's good though.
It's just something new. I never had sushi before. Sometimes like taste it.
So like, what do you think?
It's not bad. I'm just not thinking what it tastes like.
Why are you trying to compare it? Like what would you? Okay, what would you rate it?
I taste cucumbers in it. I would give it like a. I say like a 7.
At first you was gonna say 6.
I would say 6, but I'll give it a 7.
Like,
it's not nasty. It's just something new. Like as I keep eating it, maybe I try with some soy sauce or something.
Yeah, you didn't try soy sauce with it.
But it's not nasty. It's not what I expected sushi to taste like.
What you thought it was gonna taste like?
Like raw meat.
Dang, this soy sauce packet hard. That's why I was trying to eat the bottle.
You want to open the bottle for you? Girl, give me that sauce packet. I'm ready to eat these cucumbers, y'all. Here, girl.
Oh. My baby.
Put some on mine, too.
Okay, you get down. What is that?
It's like I want to take a bite of it. I actually never put the whole
I
thing
wonder what's
in
on
my
top
mouth.
of it.
I don't know what that is. I think it's fried onions or something, probably.
It's so hard to like pick up, y'all.
The way you holding it, I bet it is. Let me eat some cucumbers.
How you do it?
I feel like we mucking and banging it, y'all.
Yeah, okay.
Y'all, some complete season and the Italian dressing.
Italian dressing.
Y'all,
Put it on top. Oh.
that thing be busting. Put some on my side. Like, I feel like that's a good little snack for y'all if y'all just hungry and don't want to eat too much.
I don't know how y'all eat with chopsticks, but I'm really struggling right now.
It's crazy because I love to eat with chopsticks, but I don't really know how to, but I like it. I'm gonna better than her.
Babe, it's really hard.
Pick it up.
Oh, Hubba, I want you to try it.
Try what? Ew, no, I'm not trying that.
What this like a spice.
That's wasabi.
Oh.
I put a little bit on top of it. Kind of look like, though. Yeah.
Then put one of these on there.
What the hell is that? I need to pick this up with my hand. I need to take a bite. I don't want to put that whole thing in my mouth like that.
They put the whole thing
I need
in
the
your
whole
mouth.
palette in front of me. I cannot eat like this.
Okay, you ready?
Ooh. How's this with the soy sauce?
It was good.
It was good. Why you can't eat one of them?
What?
These things on it.
Okay, I'll roll for my next one.
Is that it's a ginger?
It is?
Yes. It's something with ginger. I don't know. It's not exactly like ginger, but it's something.
So you want to taste it before you put it on? Eat it.
I guess I just have no choice
Just
but to
eat it. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I can't eat the chocolate.
It busts with it. Ginger on it.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try it.
Sushi busts down. It's on top.
You should try rock and roll sushi, babe. We gotta eat it one day. I just want to get you the basics first before we go dumb. They be loading it with crab meat, all that. It be so good.
I never had sushi, y'all. Never. I always thought it was just good.
Like nasty?
Yeah. But it's actually pretty good. I won't lie.
It is good, that.
It's good with them. It got even more flavor. I'm mad that I put a little bit. Put the other one.
You gotta put them apart.
They give us 4 pieces, y'all.
We just got. That's one right there. And then that's more than one.
Oh.
You gotta just put them apart.
Y'all, I'll give it a 7.
You see, you got. Oh,
That next one I ate, that last one I just ate, I get it at an 8.
Oh.
Girl, just put that as 1. That's 1, honey. Oh, I see it now.
Yeah. Like, I just can't. It just. Okay, there we go. It's just the chopsticks. I cannot do chopsticks, y'all.
That's actually pretty good, y'all. I was
I'm
not
already trying.
expecting this. I won't lie to you. I was not expecting this to be this thing.
Bust down, huh?
Yeah, it's good. Dang. I cut it in half. Let me see what's inside that thing, though.
It looked like a cucumber in there.
I taste cucumber.
And it's crab in there, too. Oh.
I kind of want to make my own sushi roll.
Ooh. Free.
Yeah, this is so
Yeah,
messy. Like, oh. Ain't even touch the egg rolls.
Ooh.
Yeah, mess around with her, she gonna need a fork.
I need one. But I'm trying to do it the right way.
What if you see my stomach under the table?
Babe. It's so messy. I don't even want that one anymore.
Yes, you do. Mine messy too, ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Yeah, just pick it up. Put that thing in my girl. Babe, that's mine.
Oh.
Ew. I don't even want it anymore.
I'm finna rip it off. I know.
Yeah, I like eating with chopsticks. Like, I just feel so fancy.
That's embarrassing.
They ain't see that till you said something.
Oh, you know what you should try?
What?
And cucumber on top of it. There's already cucumber in it, I think. You think so? Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try with a small cucumber on top. It's just so hard to open. Like, what the
I
crap?
wonder what's inside this spring roll though.
It's crab in there.
Don't test it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna pick this one up.
Put that up, baby.
I'm gonna pick it up.
You some soy sauce. Let me see some soy sauce.
Ooh.
Let me see this. I'm gonna try with soy sauce, y'all.
So, what you rating it?
I give it an 8.
An 8?
I give it a solid 8. This one breaking apart. Ugh. Oh yeah, they messed up. Oh,
No, you messed up.
I see that cucumber in there. Damn. They just blew me with it. Cause who put this roll together? Like,
Just leave it. Just get this one. Get this one. Just get this one.
I just put all my soy sauce on there.
Okay, you just look.
Put some on it.
Yeah.
Gotta be smart.
Not gonna be smart, but yeah.
There's not enough soy sauce though.
Yeah, she's supposed to be allergic to soy sauce and she eating it.
I'm supposed to learn seafood too. But I'm not. I'm gonna go with soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, that thing bust with the soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sushi's not that bad, y'all. It ain't what I was thinking it was gonna give.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling y'all, I had to eat before this. I was like, I'm gonna be disappointed if this ain't good. Get another sushi.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what that sauce is on top though, and I don't know if I'm feeling that sauce.
What sauce?
Whatever that
The
is.
orange one?
Whatever, both of them. So I'm gonna drown it out with some soy sauce, y'all. Sushi ain't bad.
This is lobster. This lobster egg roll, y'all.
I'm down with sushi.
You know. You want some salsa? I mean, egg roll. Right now.
Let me get my arm. Thank you. Okay, so my first time trying sushi.
It wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad. It was good. It's like I feel like that's something you have to have a craving for. That's not something I would just randomly go pick up on a day-to-day basis.
I ain't even play with this. I'm screen to that was out of here.
That's a lot in that one. Now, egg rolls, that's a whole nother ball game. I love me a good egg roll.
Soy sauce is disgusting by itself.
Yeah, not really disgusting.
Not disgusting
I
by
like it on my
itself.
Chinese rice.
Okay, y'all. Oh, yeah.
A little cold.
A little cold.
Not cold, but it's like hot.
Not hot.
Not hot. Not cold.
Yours was like in the middle, so I would have thought it would have been more.
I love egg rolls, y'all. Like, I want the egg roll. No, into the egg roll, boy. Bust down. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, drowning. Have you ever had cucumbers and Italian dressing for the complete season? You should try it.
That was down.
Those? You get it again? Like, you go get some right now.
Not right now at the moment. Like, I ain't hungry. But if we go to that first thing, I will get it. Yeah. Can I get napkin, please?
Of course.
Alright, you guys. We just wanted to know, get her first experience eating sushi with you guys. My first experience eating this type of sushi. Well, I mean, I had sushi, but I ain't never tried their sushi, but
Pretty good.
good. We like it.
Pretty good.
Go on sushi dates now. You don't know about all
She
that.
pushing it, y'all. I want some seafood days though.
You say you what?
Seafood.
Alright, you guys. We want you to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to watch our videos, and go get y'all some sushi, y'all. Peace.